Bing bong, what's up? It's Skippy. I got a bag of food. I'm happy, happy, happy. I got me some churros. I got me some burritos and chips. And my friend who works at the El Pollo Loco axted me. She done axted me if I would be interested in buying a couple rolls of quarters. They had an abundance of quarters. I myself don't mind having quarters. I do laundry. I go and I do laundry off site at this one place because the laundry machines here where I live, they do not, repeat, do not have any place for someone like myself who is of a distinct way of doing their laundry. And by that mean I have no way. These laundry machines where I live, you cannot, repeat, cannot use fabric softener. There is no receptacle for the fabric softener. You can only use detergent, and that's it. You can use dryer sheets. Myself, this is going to sound crazy. As an adult, I have found a certain respect for fabric softener. Because two reasons. It softens my fucking fabric, and it makes my shit smell great. Not my shit that I take like in a crap, but I mean my laundry. I love the smell of my laundry. What I like to do, because I used a buddy of mine a long time ago got me hooked on this brand called Suavitel. And what I like to do is I like to mix up their flavors. I like to use the fresh scent as the liquid fabric softener in my wash. And then I will use a lavender scented sheet in the dryer. That way I get this hybrid scent that is incredible. All I'm saying is, yeah, I'm very particular about how I do my laundry. Because I like the way it feels and I like the way it smells. And it just makes me happy. It makes me happy, and that's what counts. I like being happy. I like eating burritos. I got my usual. I got the original chicken burrito. I realize that, like, these are like $4.99. Like, the combo is like $5.99. You get chips and a drink. I'm like, it's no brainer. And what I like about this burrito, it's simple. It's tortilla, chicken, beans, rice, cheese. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. That's all I need. Because I usually get, like, the avocado chicken burrito, a little bit bigger, $4 more, but it comes with like avocado stuff on it. But the problem I have with it, it gets too sloppy. It becomes this sloppy jalopy. You cannot see me. El Pollo Loco salsa is dynamite. Like I tell them, you put that on a Popeye's chicken sandwich, it's fucking not next level. It's a fucking penthouse. Mm. You know what? Let's watch a video. I know you're getting sick of watching me. Let's watch a video. Yeah. Let's do that. My friend, he hooked it up. He came over and boopity boopity boop, and he like, I mean, I took no notes. I just know he made it work. Like, check this shit out, right? Boom. You see that? Watch, right? Boom. Amazing. Wait, hold on a sec. Check this out, right? Boom. Okay. I think it's cool. I wasn't able to do that before. But now it's like, boom. That's pretty awesome. Alright. Alright. I'm revealing more of my history. For those of you who don't know, yours truly, Skippy Simon, I used to belong to a comedy troupe called The Naughty Show. It wasn't my comedy troupe. It was this guy, Sam Tripoli. I got a phone call from Sam. He's like, I need your help, Skip. I'm like, what's that? He's like, I need you to play a character in my comedy show. And I was like, what's that? He goes, I need a pornstar bunny. Pornstar bunny named Bunny Fever. Do comedy at my shows and get molested by porn stars. And I'm like, what do I say? That was a lot of fun. It was a fucking lot of fun. My God. Did so much crazy shit. Didn't get paid. Gotta tell everybody. I was in a naughty show for 6-7 years. Easiest $1,200 I ever made. I didn't get paid shit. I was so broke too, man. I was like, I was hoping the naughty show was gonna pay off, but if you don't gamble, you'll never win. You know? It was awesome. Got to work with a lot of really cool people. Like, I like porn stars. They're really nice people. You know? Like, a lot of them are. A lot of the ones that I've met and been with, you know what I'm saying? I haven't been with that many porn stars. Probably about, I don't know, 30. But I'll never tell. But anyway, it was a lot of fun. Thank you, Sam, for bringing me along for the ride. Sam and I kind of had a small falling out, which is sad, but I don't know. You know, you get to a point where it's like, some people you just can't trust anymore, you know? And unfortunately. Love you, Sammy. You were always honest with me. Well, except those times you were always dishonest with me, but still. I remember when you pulled me aside in the kitchen of the Comedy Store and you said, everybody here hates you. Oh. You were so fucking right. You still do. Nothing changes. But, yeah. Comedy Store hates my guts. I used to wipe Mitzi Shore's asshole. Fuck that bitch. But, anyway, I watched a video. I forgot to grab my beverage, Joel. Let's watch a video, shall we? This is a pretty funny video. How long have I been talking so far? 12 minutes already? And I haven't even gotten to the fucking video. My God. I can't see shit. Probably because both my eyes ain't working. But listen. We're going to watch the video. It stars myself, Sam Tripoli, porn star Andy Sandemus, comedian Ari Shaffir, if you want to call him that, and some wrestler guy named Roddy Piper. So here we go. This is from Sam Tripoli's Night Show. This is funny shit. Let's check it out.
Alright, I'm Sam Tripoli.
And I'm Bunny Fever.
Recently in 1912, we decided to give the legendary Dan the Armond the Silver Slung of Excellence Award. And it was awesome until...
all of a sudden, out of nowhere, from the shadows, the amazing racist comes in and just makes her dreams into a nightmare.
Everything was going bad and it was looking really dark until out of nowhere comes legendary pro wrestler Roddy
Piper
to put the amazing racist in his place.
And it's exactly where he needs to be.
That was acting. And I was wrong. It wasn't Andy Sandemus. My apologies, Dan the Armond. Sometimes I get my girl.
That's awesome. Please welcome the recipient of the Lifetime Achievement, the Silver Slung of Excellence, the one, the only, Dan the Armond, everybody!
There's Tebow up there. It was him.
Yeah!
and the other guy, I forget his name right now, but
Silver Swan of Excellence.
they recommended me. Oh, there's what's her name, Angela. We used to go bowling together.
It's a Silver Swan of fucking excellence. Yeah, just a quick speech, and then I want to do something with it.
So this is for all the people that go to my high school, who read out the MySpace University High School message board that I'm a whore. I'm now an award-winning whore. Fuck you.
Look at that cat. Yeah, the Silver Swan. I remember that thing. Okay, it was a latex.
Questions, so I said I'm
The
gonna let the crowd
latex
ask me
penis,
questions.
so
They
they
all
had to
got
put spray
questions.
paint on
They
it,
like
and the
to
spray
ask
paint didn't
lovely
stick,
Dana
so
Dion.
funny.
Anybody?
Everywhere.
Hold on. Before you, hold on. Now, okay, so you don't know who this fucking guy is. This guy is the amazing racist.
Hi, I'm Ari Shaffir, and I am the amazing racist.
This is Ari's birthday.
ตอนนี้ตรงวันนี้ลงคะแนนเหรอ
Tomorrow.
Are you gonna be cool? Because I'm not gonna let you disrespect my friend. Are you gonna be cool?
I have a question.
A real question.
Real question, yes.
Are you sure? You're gonna be cool because I'm not gonna let you. She's my BFF.
I understand that.
Okay. Okay. So I got pornstar backup. Okay. Okay. Ask your question.
I know you do a lot of interracial porn. I was just wondering if you think that your grandparents are from like heaven crying while they watch you.
That's not cool, man. Did you just say? This is America, dude.
Yeah.
She can bang
Your
black
grandparents are
guys.
alive, you stupid fucker.
Yeah.
What? Your parents are
Your
alive?
grandparents are alive.
Parents and you still fuck black guys? What the fuck?
Yes.
That's not cool, man.
That's not cool.
Black cock.
Why do women fucking black guys? Mexicans were invented.
Hey, our president came from a white chick, okay?
Oh, that's not my president. I
Yeah. Who's your fucking
I
president?
voted for what I was voting for. Robert E. Lee.
That is not cool, man. Someone's gotta put an end to this bullshit.
What bullshit? That's just what.
No, that's not cool.
Can't you just kick him out for being a racist?
Yeah, I think you should kick him in the mouth. What the fuck is this?
I have come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass.
Holy shit, what's going on?
All out of bubblegum.
Oh, what's happening? Oh, Rowdy Roddy high five.
It's Roddy! Roddy!
First thing I want to do, someone rip his face off.
I got him to sign
Come
in.
here to fight. I don't know what you come here to do.
Yeah,
Come here to win two titles.
You don't know how many nights I wanted to knock your teeth down. While your family cries. You around the arena. I don't know nothing about you.
I'm fighting for it.
Oh, looks like the amazing racist in trouble. It's the one and only Roddy.
This shit is so funny. Watch this shit. It's fucking.
Get the fuck on stage.
Get your furry fucking ass over here. Let me take a look at you, you racing racist. What the fuck is wrong with you, you little dick motherfucker? Can I say one thing? No! You said too fucking much.
Yeah.
Rogaine! Can I say one thing?
This is completely unplanned. Nobody was supposed to record.
Just fucking the ass. Just like the amazing racist in the ass.
There you go, got him out of here. Yup, that was a naughty show. That's the type of shit we used to do. It got out of control. Alright.
Naughty News Action Team, Miguel Fierro here at Naughty 12 at the Improv in Hollywood. We are here with the amazing racist. He just was in a conflict right there in the middle of the show with Roddy Piper.
It's not a conflict, it's an ambush. He ambushed me.
So, well, what do you have to say to Roddy Piper? If he's listening?
You want a fair fight? I'll give you a fair fight. You want to come at me like some coward when I wasn't ready? That's a whole other story.
Anything else? You look
Anytime, man.
look like you got,
Anytime.
man.
You want to do this in Detroit at the Thunderdome? We'll do it there. We will do it there in front of all our fans.
Is your head hurting from the piano, man? He was playing like a Mozart thing with you on that piano. You know, I didn't realize a head could make beautiful music like that.
You watch it. You come at me, you're gonna get some medicine too.
Oh yeah, you want a
back
piece
on
of
the
this?
medicine.
You want a piece of this?
I want all
you
of
want
that.
a fucking piece of this?
I want all of
I will fucking tear you apart.
Naughty News Action Team, Miguel Fierro here with Rowdy Roddy Piper.
Yo, my name is Rowdy Roddy Piper, and you're watching The Naughty Show. I beat the shit out of Mr. D, not because he was black, because he's an asshole. I beat the shit out of the Amazing Racist, not because he's white, because he's an asshole.
Yeah, that was the good stuff, baby. Yep. That was, yeah, we did those, like, once, twice a month. They were fucking epic. My God. We had such a cult following. I used to love it when, like, Ron Jeremy would always come to the shows. I know everyone hates him now because he's a convicted rapist, but back before he was my buddy. And he would get me laid, and he would introduce me to, like, famous people, which was awesome. Ron Jeremy introduced me to two of my favorite directors. Introduced me to Lloyd Kaufman, who was the director of Toxic Avenger, I believe. Or he's in charge of Troma Studios. And Ron introduced, because I went down to a thing for Troma, and I was with my band Black Hag, and we almost got Lloyd to direct a music video for our band. That would have been epic, and that would have been because of Ron Jeremy. And then Ron Jeremy, after one Naughty show, I said this one Jewish joke, and he died laughing. I said, can Jews watch anything with Kevin Bacon in it? And all I heard from the back of the improv was, ha! And I was dying. I was like, oh my God, I love you, Ron. He loved that joke. But he introduced me to Adam Rifkin, who made as soon as he introduced me to Adam Rifkin, I immediately verbally started sucking this dude's dick. I was like, dude, I was honest. I was like, you were the reason I do stand-up. Like, your movie, The Dark Backward, is the reason I do stand-up. And he was, like, fascinated by that. I was like, just why I was very thankful that Ron got to introduce me to someone whose artwork I appreciated, because I'm not much of a movie watcher, movie buff, or anything like that. I don't even own a TV. I don't like to go to movies. I can't justify sitting in a darkness for an hour and a half, 2 hours for $15-20. You know, there's too much real world awesomeness. But Hollywood's dying anyhow. We're oversaturated with entertainment. As I sit here and make a video. But hypocrite's got a hypocrite. These churros. They're fucking great. Alright. That was some more Skippy shares shit. I think is what I'm calling it. Skippy shares shit. Because I want to introduce you guys to, like, some crazy alternative shit. Because I like some really weird shit, man. Especially like comedy. weird shit. I like that weird shit. But we'll get into that next time. How many minutes am I not? Jesus Christ. This video has been, what? 20 minutes of talking and 6 minutes of watching the other video. I'm just high and hungry and wanting to yap for a bit. I think I did a good job. Yeah, if you're not getting baked before you watch these, you're doing it wrong. Because I get baked before I make these. Everybody must get stoned. I was just discussing about the first time I got high. But that's a story for another video. Just remind me in the comments. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being awesome. Hope you like that. Like I said, I've done some crazy shit, so. I do crazy shit, man. Crazy shit. Do crazy shit, man. Crazy shit. Seeing footage. This is how I be. I'm Skippy. Skippysimon, a.k.a. Bunny Fever, a.k.a. Bugger from Black Fag, a.k.a. the asshole to my mom. You have a great night. Take care. Stay awesome. Bye.